Hey there, my name's Sean and I am the founder of Rain and Chill. The following video is designed to give you a better understanding of how videos are typically produced on our channel. On the screen you will now see a variety of time-lapsed examples. The main aim of Rain and Chill is to help provide relief from stress, anxiety and sleeping issues. The channel has grown to over 10,000 subscribers and has viewers from all around the world, who often comment that we are significantly improving their sleep quality and overall well-being. We also have a strong listenership on the YouTube Music app and Spotify. We endeavour to use footage and sounds that we record personally as we pride ourselves on our quality of content. In some instances, we may use third-party elements or collaborate with other creators to further enhance the visual appearance of a video to make it more suitable for sleep and relaxation. We do not reuse someone else's content without striving to add significant value. The main video software we use is Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. And for sound editing and design, we use Pro Tools. The main cameras we use are a Sony a6300, GoPro Max and iPhone Pro. And we record sounds with Tascam and Zoom audio devices. You can see below in the video description for a detailed list of our equipment. Please continue watching for more behind the scenes footage of our creation process and check out our behind the scenes playlist in the video description. Thank you for your time and we eagerly await your decision. All the best. Cheers.